Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to the channel. Remember to like and subscribe. Now, Kyng Tavii, we can't continue if you're different like this. You see it? If you know say you're not depressed, then stop with the act. But if you know say you're depressed, well, you need to go to the doctor, get some medical attention. Because right now, everyone me scroll up on TikTok, everybody has say I can't act, bro. You see it? Right now, we have Donia and Buki. They on live and me I tell us say yo them a react to the way the episode them where you go on with, you see me, and all the man them kinda say is yo this a man here I put on a act. Them a say yo your whole thing is a facade, bro. You see it? Man them a say no man with depressed now go get up every morning routinely, click live and I tell people to send line and all them thing that whilst him a dropping himself a grung and a roll and I say him a go do this to himself. You see it? It's like guilt trip people them. And that them not like. King Donia and Buki further went on to say, yo Tavii, if you were so depressed, you wanna come on every day and click live and a ball and a roll a ground. You'd have more for sitting in one corner and lock yourself out from the world because you don't know how the world to know one way I go through, you see it. But may I make uno be the judge? Tell me on the thoughts below. You think this is an act or you think the boss really depressed? But one thing we can't take with Tavii, he's probably one of the top 5 creators in Jamaica right now.
Me can't bother pick him because them a sitting and joke to him depend. Yeah.
See that, Tavii. See me and the conversation. You hear that?
Then I'm a killer. I said the flu for shoot next week and thing, so. You want to reason with about next week or the skip over and do one thing and how me I have a set of feet to
That since recent?
Yeah, since no a little bit before me go.
That thing you hear a boy alright on the damn phone or you hear me about this party and all.
Oh my God.
So if you come get little gift me now, get that dying to pussy thing. That even money going me I'll get.
Oh my God. Auntie Shirley.
I mean we don't understand depression. Listen to me, let me tell you something. If you're so depressed, what you know if you turn on the light? Go lay down in your bed and go sleep. We have to turn on the light and do the sitting here for. When you use something about depressed. We don't believe them they have them here.
Somebody who depressed cannot do this.
Depressed people turn on, go take bed, sleep.
Darkness stand there by themselves in our room.
Share no. Me alone in the dark room. I share no.
I try to figure out, I want no more cigarette, I try to figure out how them will get over this. Depressed people.
Yes, that's the next move. Boy, you just see a light 120 when I go say, oh no, catch your speed. Depressed people don't know if it's something. Acting, they don't answer acting depressed.
Skilly boy, skill.
Too skill.
Skill.
Oh, skill, that's all I have to say.
And tell police them to come shot him right now.
No police not do that. Police no side work from it. We don't shot him back. We don't do nothing to get shot. You want number 1.
You so tired.
Then you don't go sleep. What am I doing?
JDF out there. Me say I want this soldier to give him some pussy clearly. You don't know them the boy them man. The only one who say no camera not upon them. They give him some fucking.
In man see just tapping yo, I don't know what I'm doing here, man. You know, wow.
He say no do the boy.
You know what, but I say when man do right, when you don't turn off your life, then who moderator can do that?
They lock up the comment.
The moderator if turn they can do that.
They only can lock up.
Jesus Christ, and that they if do. Turn off your live.
They can report it, but the people them don't report it.
Why you easy, man?
2 boxy boy war. You know Lion can send him 2. I used to sit tonight. No, anybody can know kill this man. If you don't want to say something tonight. Send
let's go send him.
Who name can see?
I'm if you ask you, you don't know.
Oh, I prayer warrior.
I should hear him, sir.
Yeah. Shall tell you from brain.
Breed.
Hear them birthday. Hear them birthday. Why Tavii, I skill this thing. Guys, skill this thing.
Grammy. Then we give him Grammy, next Grammy award, I will get this.